There we go. Local Recreation Center offers yearly membership at $265. That's the yearly membership is $265 plus $5 per class for Pilates. Write a slope intercept form. Well, this is your starting amount. That's your yearly cost. The thing that's changing is how many classes you take. And that per is a good indicator that that's going to be your slope. So write the slope intercept form that gives a total cost for a membership for a year. So X stands for number of Pilates classes. You know, hopefully you're listening and not just watching. And then Y equals the total cost. So that gives us Y equals the slope, which is $5 per class, so $5 times every class, plus the initial monthly membership of 265. It's actually a pretty good deal. About a little more than 20 bucks a month. If Shannon spent $500 in 1 year, how much did she take? So $500 was her total cost. That means we're going to plug that in for Y. So we have 500 equals 5x plus 265. So we're going to subtract 265 from both sides. And now I'm just solving for x to get the number of classes. And hopefully it works out to be mental math. So that is going to be 235 equals 5x. And 5 goes into that 47 times, I believe. Yeah, we'll go with that. Right. Sweet. So 47 classes. Did that in my head. All right. Last question here. A little weird. Okay, it's been a long day. So, what are we doing? Use the graph to the right. That'd be this one. What is the y-intercept and what does it represent? Well, the y-intercept is this little guy down here, which is printed out better on your paper than it is on my screen. And that would be negative 200. So we're comparing profit versus number of items sold. So if you sell 0 items, you're losing money because it costs you something to make them. You have to sell a bunch before you make any money here. So what is the y-intercept and what does it represent? Well, the y-intercept is your starting cost. And it's 0, negative 200. So it says that you're $200 in the hole, or you've lost, it's cost you $200 just to start your company or start making your items. What is the x-intercept on the graph and what does it represent? Oh, FYI, you have to write more than I've written here. I'm speaking to you and you're watching a video, so I assume you're hearing me, but you don't speak to me on a test or a quiz, so you actually have to write the words out. Okay, disclaimer over. So what is the x-intercept on the graph and what does it represent? The x-intercept is right here. It looks like it's approximately, go with 16. So on a test, we'll give you one that's obviously very easy to see. We're going to say it's about 16. So 16, 0 is the y, is the x-intercept. And what that means is the money you're making is 0 when you sell 16 items. So that means you could just say if you sell 16 items, you make 0 profit. Or your break-even point, the point where you go from losing money to making money, is 16 items. How many items do they need to sell in order to make a profit of $400? Well, the profit is our y. So where is y equal to 1400, or 400 rather? That is this one here. So look at where y is 400. That's right here. What number goes with that? That would be 40. So it looks like at, if y equals 400, then the x equals 40 items.